The world is evolving, and so are the risks we live with every day. Intrusions, thefts, fire, silent emergencies. Threats don't announce themselves. Homes, businesses, and workplaces face growing concerns. And as environments expand and threats evolve, the question is no longer if security is needed, but how reliable that system is. What's truly needed is a solution designed not just to protect, but to never fail when the security matters most. Introducing Mayur Smart Wireless Security Alarm System. A next-generation wireless alarm system built on one uncompromising promise: protection without compromise, without failure. Designed for homes, offices, retail spaces, and commercial environments, Mayur Smart Security Alarm System brings reliability, intelligence, and trust together in one powerful ecosystem. Engineered with a belief, a system that refuses to fail must always have a backup ready. Triple network redundancy, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, 4G GSM. When one connection drops, another rises instantly. Seamless, automatic, and unstoppable. The alarm panels serve as the system's intelligent brain, connecting, monitoring, and responding in real time. Magnetic contact sensors secure doors and windows at the first point of entry. PIR motion detectors sense human movement with precision, even in complete darkness. Curtain and wide-angle PIR sensors protect perimeters and large spaces with focused accuracy. Wireless keypads and remote controllers offer effortless control and instant response. Outdoor sirens act as a powerful deterrent, alerting both occupants and surroundings. Smoke and water detectors safeguard against fire and leakage, ensuring an end-to-end security. Every device works independently, yet seamlessly, creating a complete, layered security shield. With up to 5 years of battery life, 200+ meter wireless range, real-time monitoring with mobile app, and international standard certifications, this product is a protection guarantee that never fails. Because when systems never fail, reliability is never questioned, and security becomes synonymous with one name: Mayur Micro Techniques. Smart security systems engineered to perfection.